Hello everybody, welcome. Now, I'm sitting here in the house bored, it's been raining and everything. I'm usually cooking a Sunday dinner on a Sunday, but no one fancies one today. I'm sitting here bored, I'm not doing the nails. So I thought, what shall I do? So let me show you what I'm going to do. Well, all these ingredients I've had it all in the house, so I haven't had to spend anything. I'm going to do one of them no bake cheesecakes, if I can say it right. I've never done it before, so I thought I'm going to have a crack. So I got myself some biscuits, which I've already had anyway, some cream cheese, which I always have on my burgers and my buns and everything anyway, which I like, some condensed milk, which I've already had in the cupboard. I've got 40 grams of butter, bit of vanilla extract, and obviously my whisk and a couple of bowls. So I've never done this before, so I'm going to see if it works. Right, I've made myself some butter in the microwave, just a few seconds. I'm going to get the biscuits, oops, not the camera. I'm going to get my biscuits. I'm going to put them in my Mo Farah thing there. I had that from B&M, God, years ago. It only cost me about 15 quid. So I don't know how many biscuits I'm going to need, but I'm just going to put the pack in, because I've got quite a big cake tin. So I'll give them a blast. I'll bring you back when that's done, because that's going to be really loud. Right, they're done. A few big bits I couldn't get done, so I just whacked them with a rolling pin. I'm going to stick the butter in. I'm just going to mix it together. I only use one pack of biscuits because there's quite a lot here, to be honest with you. So I'll keep mixing this, get it all incorporated together. Right, it's still a little bit dry, so I've just done myself a bit more butter. So it's trial and error for me, I've never made it before, so it's seeming a lot better now. So I'll keep mixing that. Last bit of butter. That was another 20 grams I put in, so that's 60 grams of butter it's had now. That's better now. Smells lovely. Smells absolutely gorgeous. That's that. You all might have a little taste of that. Oh wow. I'm going to get my cake tin. So it's quite a big cake tin this, so maybe I've done enough biscuits. If not, I've got another pack anyway. I don't think I told you I did put some greaseproof paper at the bottom of this. I'm going to get myself a glass. I'm just going to press down. So I've never made this before, so right, there's that. See that? Yeah. I'm going to stick that in the fridge now while I do the other stuff. Right, while that's in the fridge, let's get the cream cheese in. Oh yeah. Half the price of Philadelphia this stuff is, from Aldi. Right, cream cheese is in. I'm going to whisk that up. That's that. I don't know, whisk it too much. I don't even know what I'm doing. Let me know if I'm doing it wrong. Sure you'll tell me. Condensed milk, that's going in. I mean, am I supposed to put a full tin of this in? I don't know. It's going in anyway. And a drop of vanilla extract in there. I don't know how much. That made me do it. I'm going to mix that up now till it's. Well, I've started mixing. I'll be using a spatula now, just to get around the sides and that. I don't know if it's too thick, not thick enough. This, I don't know. I've never done it before. Looks a bit sloppy, doesn't it? I'll keep mixing anyway and see what happens. Right, that's thickened up a bit now. I've got this out of the fridge. I'm going to pour this in. You see that? Probably not. Probably in a bloody way. Problem is I've got no fruit or anything to put on it. Which is a shame. I'd nice to put a bit of orange in there or something. some orange peel or something in there, but I ain't got none. I'm just going to see if that sets. I don't know whether that'll set or not. I ain't got a clue. Get a shake, get it packed down. Well, that's what it's supposed to look like. I don't know if it's going to set. Find out in a couple of hours. So, we'll see in 2 hours time or 3 hours. How long will it text? Might be tomorrow for all I know. Right, that's been in about 4 hours now. So I'm going to see if it's done. So I'm not sure. It's a little bit wobbly. But I've never made it before, so... But I want it to be like creamy, you know what I mean? Let's open it up and we'll see. Let me just cut around the edge. And see if it's set. And if it hasn't, then it hasn't, has it? Try and get it up if I can. Well, there it is. It's just the basic one, and I ain't got no fruit to put on the top, which is a shame. It's a bit thin, isn't it? It's not very thick. Thought it might have been a bit thicker than that. I don't think it's quite set either, to be fair. Let's try and cut a little bit. Probably just fall apart. Yeah, could have done a bit longer, I think. More like just cream on top of a biscuit base, ain't it? See if I can get it out, see if it's stuck together. I mean, it's stuck. First attempt, I suppose. It's a bit creamy, look. But hey, I mean, that's it. I mean, if you had some orange zest on the top or something, it'd be lovely, I suppose. It's a bit thin though, isn't it? Would have been a lot thicker than that, to be fair. But oh well. Not to worry. First attempt, I suppose. And it is a bit, it's not quite set, you can see, look. But it tastes nice, to be fair. Give it a taste test, a proper one. Yeah, it's very, I should have left it in longer. But oh well, I ain't going to get the thing back on it now. First attempt, but I mean, it's sort of set, and maybe another hour to done. Nice and fluffy though. That biscuit base is lovely. I don't think that's too bad. For my first attempt with no instructions, that ain't bad, is it? That ain't bad. I quite like that. Bit thin. Some fruit on the top or some orange zest, but I didn't have any. Just a spur of the moment, things like I had in the cupboard. Because I'm bored. So, yeah, I mean, probably another hour. That'd probably been a lot harder. Which I'll probably stick it back in. But it'll probably melt, go everywhere, look. But yeah, there you go. First attempt. Something to do because I was bored. So, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye. have a bit more. Because it is tasty, it's very tasty. Just need to do a bit longer. Bye bye.